Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently watched a video of a creator where she talked about her AM and PM routine and how this routine, all these products that she has been using has helped her to attain glass-like skin. And this video has got hundreds and hundreds of views and it's been posted recently. And I started to wonder, are we still chasing glass skin? I know trends change and they sit differently with different age groups. Maybe this glass skin trend is still trending with Gen Zs, but women like us who are in their 40s, are you still chasing glass skin? If yes, do let me know in the comments. Because see, with skincare, every year trends change, ingredients change, routine change year on year. But this one idea, perfectly glossy, poreless, reflective skin, just refuses to die. And when this trend started, I gave in. I was doing, all 10 steps and it actually made a difference to my skin. But having said that, the weather I was in, it also supported that I could go in heavy with hydration and moisturization, multiple product layers, because I was in a hot and dry climate. But having changed my climate now, I can't do all those 10 steps. But I still chase after a healthy looking skin, a glowy skin that does not look dull. And as I'm in my 40, of course, the skin starts to, there are a lot of structural changes that happens to the skin, and I've started tailoring, products to what my skin needs at this moment, rather chasing trends. And before you say, I don't care about, glass skin at all, let's be real for a second. Even for me, if I see someone walking into the room with a skin like that, healthy, hydrated, glowing, your eyes would definitely go there and mine would too. So today's video is not about shaming the desire of, achieving a skin like that. It's about telling you something most people don't. Glass skin is not for everybody. And no, that does not mean your skin is unhealthy, ugly, or not doing well. And let's talk about why. Glass skin isn't about just an aesthetic trend. It signals something much deeper. It signals youth, health, time, money, access, and let's be honest, good genetics. When somebody's skin looks glassy, something like this, we subconsciously read it as this person has their life together. And as women especially, we are conditioned to chase that signal constantly. Even if we say we don't care, there is still a pull. So if you have ever looked at someone's skin and thought, why doesn't mine look like that? You're not shallow, you're human. The problem is not wanting the glass skin. The problem is thinking it is a universal benchmark of a good skin. And that's where the damage starts. And here's the part that might be uncomfortable to hear. Glass skin is not achievable also for everyone. And there are a few reasons for that. Genetics. Some people naturally produce more surface lipids, have tighter looking pores, retain hydration better, and reflect light differently. And no serum can change that baseline. Skincare can improve your skin condition, but it cannot certainly rewrite your genetic blueprint. And pretending otherwise just sets up people to feel like they're failing. Also look at the skin type that favors glass skin appearance. Glass skin visually favors normal to dry skin, which has low congestion, minimal inflammation, and has a strong barrier function. If you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, rosacea, or easily congested skin, chasing glass skin can actually work against you, because actually what gives that glassy, glowy, bouncy look is layers of hydration, and on the wrong skin type that equals breakouts, texture, sensitivity, barrier stress, not glow. Also, it's important to know glass skin is not an effortless skincare. It needs a lot of work. It's high effort, high knowledge of skincare. It requires understanding your skin's reaction patterns, knowing which product textures, support your skin type in the long run, reading early warning signs, before your skin freaks out, and adjusting constantly, based on your hormones, weather, age, stress level. And most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are copy-pasting routines not meant for their skin type. And this is where I really want you to listen. Healthy skin does not always look glassy. Healthy skin can, from a look perspective, it can look more matte, maybe have a light satin finish, and even toned. And from how it feels perspective, may feel more calm and balanced. Healthy skin means your barrier is intact, your skin recovers well, you are not constantly inflamed, and you're not reacting to everything. Glass skin is just a look, but healthy skin is a function. And when people chase the look without respecting the function, they end up with overexfoliated, sensitized, confused, irritated skin. If your skin feels comfortable, doesn't sting, doesn't constantly break out, looks consistent over time, you're doing better than you think, even if it does not reflect like a mirror. And here is another hard truth. The harder you chase glassy skin, the more likely you are to push your skin past its tolerance. More layers, more actives, more experimentation, more trends, but the skin does not respond to pressure. It responds to the right product at the right time, in the right weather, consistency, and respecting your skin type. Choosing products that work with your skin type and not against it. A lot of people confuse instant sensory glow with long-term skin compatibility. That dewy feeling right after application, it doesn't automatically mean your skin will like it in 3 weeks. And understanding that difference, that's where real skincare knowledge begins. So instead of asking, how do I get glassy skin? A better question is, what does my skin function best with? In 2026, mature skincare thinking looks like choosing calm over constant glow, prioritizing barrier strength, knowing when not to add another product, and understanding your skin's limits and respecting them. If glassy skin happens naturally for you with minimal effort, great, enjoy it. But if it doesn't, that does not mean you're doing your skincare wrong. It means you are doing skincare for your skin, not for an algorithm. So no, this video isn't about rejecting glassy skin. It's about decentering it as a gold standard. Your skin doesn't need to look like glass to be healthy, well cared for, beautiful, or worthy of confidence. And the moment you stop forcing your skin to be into someone else's skin ideal, that's usually when your skin will start behaving its best. And if this video made you rethink about how you look at your skin, you are already ahead of the trend. And that's all for today's video. It was just a thought that was lingering on in my mind. I wanted to share it out here on my channel. Let me know what you think about it. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.